back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, I'm Navneet. Today's video is specially dedicated to Lipstick Appreciation Day, which is on 16th of March. And this video, because you all know I love lipsticks, is specially made for people who love lipsticks, who love matte lipsticks, but do not like wearing matte lipsticks for the sheer fact of the uncomfortable feeling, the drying feeling that you have on the lips when you have matte lipsticks on. But today's video is going to be a lifesaver for all those people who love matte and who love comfortable formulas. Because winter से summer का transition is something that we have been wearing comfortable lipsticks, we have been wearing creamy lipsticks in the winters. And now, because summers are here, we want something which is very long lasting, transfer proof and sweat proof, and something that is long lasting in general. But matte lipsticks are usually not very comfortable, but the lipsticks I am going to be telling you in today's video, which are by Swiss Beauty, are so comfortable, so economical, and very apt for the summer season. So बिना ज़्यादा बातें किए, let's jump to the swatches, let's jump to the lipstick formulas that you're going to love and adore. So yes, let's get started. First up, we have the Swiss Beauty Hold Me Matte Liquid 12-Hour Lipstick. The shade is Wild Mauve 07. It's a beautiful shade. The teardrop applicator tip makes it even more easier for application of the product beautifully in one swipe on both the upper and lower lip without digging in again into the lipstick tube. So less amount of product is needed for using it on your lips, and the product glides seamlessly and super pigmented, as you can see, and in one swipe you are done with both the upper and lower lip. It's pretty good, and it takes about 30 to 40 seconds to completely dry on your lips, but once it's dry, it's completely budge proof, transfer proof, and super long lasting. It claims to last for 12 hours on your lips. Now on me, I've never worn a lipstick for 12 hours, but I have for 8 to 9 hours, and it did a decent job in staying for that amount of time. As you can see, completely kiss proof bhi hai. So even if you do whatever, you rub, you smudge, you wear masks, do anything, it is going to stay, and the color is going to stay as such as you applied it. And slight test just to see if it transfers on a transparent glass. As you can see, no transfer at all, nothing, not even a speck of lipper on that glass. So that's how beautiful the formula is, and I would like to mention it's very comfortable as well. So even though it's matte, it's very comfortable and completely non-drying on your lips. Another color that I'm sharing with you is this one, which I told you it's very beautiful, and this one is for every skin tone. Matlab, if you're fair, medium, light, dusky, this pink is going to look amazing, ravishing, gorgeous on every skin tone. And considering it's such a bright, beautiful color, it's perfect for parties and functions, and even just your girl trip or movie dates. It's very pretty, even if you want to wear it every single day, because it's not that gaudy, so you can wear it even every day, and it just brightens your face like in a jiffy. Also, not to forget that you're getting all this in just 429 rupees, which is nothing. Below 500 rupees, you're getting a transfer proof, budge proof, matte, comfortable formula, and that too such amazing shades. Matlab, you have 30 beautiful shades to choose from. If you are willing to look for similar formula but with a different shade, you can check out completely the other 30 shades, because there is one shade for everybody, every liking. I absolutely love this color. I'm not a very bright color person, but this color is absolutely gorgeous, and on duskier skin tones it's going to be even more pretty, trust me on that. So that being said, let's move on to the next lipper. This is a Swiss Beauty HD Matte Lipstick. The shade is called Mauve Blush 07, which is a very pretty color again. If you are a fan of nude lipsticks like I am, you're going to love this color, love the shade. Plus the formula is comparable to any high-end lipstick that is available in the market in almost 1/4 the price. The color, the pigmentation, the formula, everything is beautiful, and the shade is so pretty and glides beautifully on the lips without any tugging and pulling. The formula glides like a creamy formula, but once it's set, it sets to a very beautiful comfortable matte formula. The lightweight texture blends evenly across the lips without smudging and feathering, and it's also transfer resistant. When you're applying it, it's just like you're applying some creamy lipstick, but instantly it is just going to set into a very soft, supple finish, which blurs the appearance of your lip lines as well. So it's not like a liquid matte formula, but still as matte as compared to a liquid matte. As you can see, kuch bhi karo, the color is going to stay and not budge. So yes, that is one of my absolute favorites as well, because the color is so pretty, and I'm such a huge fan of nude lippers, because you can wear it day, night, office, job, parties, anywhere. You just wear it and it's going to look ravishing. Another very beautiful matte comfortable formula from Swiss Beauty is the Swiss Beauty Matte Cat Lip Crayon. The shade is called Spiced Coral, which is a very beautiful corally nude color. It has hints of coral, hints of pink, hints of nude, which makes it a perfect corally nude color. If you're a fan of those nudes, you have to check this one out. And also the formula is like, it dries down within seconds. I've just applied it and you can see it's almost dry already. Already dry. It's budge proof, transfer proof instantly the moment you apply it. And when you apply it, it's actually so easy. It's gliding beautifully on the lips. It feels that it's again a very beautiful creamy formula, but it dries down within seconds. And as you can see, completely budge proof and very long lasting. The formula is completely matte, it's non-transfer proof, water resistant, and also it's a retractable design which eliminates the need for sharpening or making it easy to use, and also it's completely mess free. Another very beautiful color that I've been loving is Burn Red from the same range. This is a very good replacement for people who are not very comfortable to wear reds. This is a very pretty sister or sibling for red color, because it has hints of red, but again it has hints of muted red. It's like more of a terracotta red color, which again is very beautiful and very wearable for an everyday use. It's very easy to apply, lasts very easily for 7 to 8 hours on your lips, and also available in 26 different colors to choose from. So if you are looking for anything in this formula, in this comfortable matte range, you can check this particular range, because I absolutely love this, especially the color. The shade is so pretty, and on every skin tone this is going to be a very beautiful ravishing shade. Another color that I would like to add is this lip liner from Swiss Beauty. Now lip liners are something that you line your lips with before you fill them up, but you can use this particular lip liner as a lip liner also, and to fill in the lips as well as a lipstick, because this is again very matte and very long lasting. I prefer to use it only as a lip liner, but if you want to, you can of course use it as a lip filler as well. It's a pinkish nude color, very good to go with any number or any color lipstick, be it dark, be it nudes, be it pinks, and this is going to go with everyone. So it's a very versatile shade and a must have in your stash as well. So check these slippers if you're looking for comfortable mattes, and you're going to love it. So friends, those were my favorite lipsticks from Swiss Beauty, favorite matte lipsticks from Swiss Beauty, which I'm sure you're going to love if you try them on. And let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section below. Which color are you looking forward to wearing in this summer season? And yes, I'll see you in my next video super soon. If you want to purchase any of the lipsticks, all the links would be in the description, so check those out, and I'll see you in my next video super soon. Bye guys.